where you guys are still kind of struggling a little bit with starting pitching. The offense really came big.
Yeah, our starting pitching, I don't think anybody on our team is really worried about it. We know what those guys have and what they're gonna bring to the table for the whole season, and we just know that they're gonna be there. But yeah, with the bats, it was another really good night. I think 9 runs, 12 hits, and it's nice to see 1 through 9 just steady, confident, steady, hard hit balls throughout the whole game. And we're feeling good as a team right now. We just got to put this game past us, come out tomorrow ready, and have another good day.
You guys have almost a complete turnaround from last season with the bats.
Yeah, we've had the bats a while now. I don't know if it's because we've had them for longer or if because we're doing different things right. I think it's because we're doing different things as a club, and you can just see guys' approaches. We're not a one-dimensional team. It's not like we can only go the other way or only hit the ball pull side. We're hitting fastball, changeup, whatever it is, and I just think guys' approaches are really good. We're sticking with the plan. Coach Gotro, Coach Jury is doing a great job, working with guys and getting everybody ready to play, and we've been swinging the bats well lately.
Not all the hits were the strongest hits in the entire world, so those wheels that you've developed with the rest of the offseason maybe coming into play a little bit, the speed.
Yeah, maybe so. I know that bases loaded hit didn't really hit that one too hard, but in this it's a long season. You're going to get some free ones, and then you're going to really hit some balls well that don't fall for you. So we always say you'll take as many of those as they're going to give us because it's an unforgiving game. So when they want to give one back, we'll take it.
I think the other part to this is the competition level's increasing, and to record a win like this on a Friday night, against their big guy.
Yeah, it's huge. Alabama coming here Friday night. We had a great crowd tonight. A lot of energy in the stadium, and it was just a really big statement win for us. But we've got to come out tomorrow for it to mean something and win the series. So we just got to put this one behind us as soon as possible. Come out ready to play tomorrow.